Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 2 Whole Numbers Exercise 2.2 Question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says find the value of the following. So we have to find their value. Okay. So first is this question. Okay, so now what can you say in this? It is 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3, right? So we need to see that what is common in here, and then we will make that common and then we will solve. So let us see how do we solve. Now you can see here 297 it is coming 2 times, right? So we can write it 1 times, but for now, okay, so 297 and 297 is over here. So if I write it, so I will write it 1 times like this, okay, 297. Now 297 into 17, okay, in brackets, and then plus here 297 into 3, okay. Now see, here we have 2 times 297, so we can write it as 1 times here, okay. And then in bracket we have left with, in this we are left with 17, and in this we are left with 3, okay. So 17 plus 3 we will do, okay. So see, because over here plus option mark is left and this multiply sign is as the brackets, right? So 17 plus 3. Now this means that 297 will be multiplied by 17 plus 3, that is 20. So 297 into 20, okay. So this bracket is meaning multiplication sign. 17 plus 3 is 20, so multiplied by 20, right? Now for this we will multiply 297 just by 2, not by 20. Why? Because we will put this 0 after this, okay. So 2 into 2, 7 into 2 is 14, and 1, 9 into 2 is 18, and 1 is 19, and 1, 2 into 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. So we are having 594, right? This is a number and this 0, so 5940, which is the answer of the A part. Now we will solve the next part. So here it is 54279 into 92 plus 8 into 54279. Now in this also you can see 54279 is given 2 times, okay. So first we will write them in brackets, that is we will group them 54279 into 92 here, okay, and in brackets, and then plus sign 8 into 54279, okay. Now see, if we will take this 54279 and this, we can write it as 1 because it can be common, right? It is common in this. Now this was the only thing which is common in these 2 brackets. So now, and in brackets you can see we are left with 92 and 8. So we will add them, okay, we will add them. So 92 and 8, so 92 plus 8 here, okay, that will be what? 54279. So 92 plus 8 is 100, right? And this plus will change to multiply sign. So 54279 into 100, that will be 54279 and 279 and 2 zeros after it. So this is the answer, that is what? Over here 54,27,900, okay. This is answer of the B part. Now we will solve the C part. So this is 81265 into 169 minus 81265 into 69, okay. So this is the question. Now what does it mean? We will see over here again, this 81,265 is 2 times written, so we can make it in a group 8265 here into 169, okay. This will be in 1, and then we have this minus, then we are having over here 81265 once again into 69, okay. Now see over here, if we will take these and this, we can write it once because we are getting it 2 times, okay. So 81265 is written once. Now in brackets what will we write? See, we are left with 169 and 69. Okay, so that is 169 and minus sign is there, so 169 minus 69. Okay, and this bracket is meaning multiplying, so we will multiply. So 169 minus 69, 9 minus 9 0, 6 minus 6 0, 1 will be as it is, so we will get 100. Okay, that means 81265 into 100. Okay, so multiply it by 100. Simply we will put the zeros. 81265, 2 zeros after that. So this is answer of the C part, that is what? Here 81,26,500. Now we will solve the D part. So this is 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Okay, so you can see here first we have 3845 into 5 into 782. So we can write this plus 769 9. Okay, and into 25 we can write 5 into 5 here and into 208. Okay, so let us see over here. If we see, you can see 769 into 5. If we see what we will get if we multiply this, 769 and 5 into 9 is 45, 4 and 5 carried here, 5 into 6 is 30 and 4 is 34, so 3 and 4, so 5 into 7 is 35 and 8 is 38. 3845, which is this number. Okay, so we have found two things common here. So this is common, this 3845, when we will multiply this. So let's first write it down as it is. 3845 into 5 into 782 plus, over here we have plus sign, so plus. Here we will write 3845 of these two, 38, 4 and 5. Then we will have this 5 left into 5 and into 208. Okay, so 218, not 8 but 218. Now we are having this number common and this number common, 3845, and this 5 and this 5 common. Okay, so what we can do over here is we can write them in such ways as 3845 into, so we will write these two one time and this 5 one time. So 3845 into 5. Okay, and then in the brackets what we will write, this number is left 782 and this 218 is left. So you can see the plus sign is there, so we will add them, 782 plus 218. So that will give us what? 2 plus 8 is 0 and 1 will be carried over. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and plus 1 is 10. So 0 once again and 1 will be again carried over. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 3. So 1000. So that is 3845. Just a second. First we will solve this. So we have 3845 into 5 and then we have 1000 over here. Okay, now we will see. So let's multiply this, 3845 by 5. Okay, so let's see, 5 into 5 is 25, 2 and 2 will be carried over. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 2 is 22, again 2, 5 into 8 40 plus 2 is 42 and 4 once again, 5 into 5 is 13 and 1 is 9. So 19,225 it is the number. Now 19,225 into 1000. Okay, that will give us what? Simply we will write this 19,225 and after this we will put 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is our answer over here, that is 1 crores 92 lakhs 25 1000. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.